In the previous question, we find out each the sum of interior angle. So here he said that find in each of the following question find the size of the mark angle, so which is marked by x. So it means if you observe in the diagram, so we are given interior angles. In some previous questions we had about the exterior angle, the sum of exterior angle. We found the exterior angles marked by the P letter, but here he said the find marked by x. But if you observe, these are interior angle. So we know that the formula for the sum of interior angle is n. This is sum of interior, n minus 2 times 180. Now we need to find each x value here. We are given 4 angles. So first of all, n means number of sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's pentagon. So we know that pentagon is 5-sided figure. If we replace n by 5, so it becomes 5 minus 2 times 180. So this is the total angles, which is how much? 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 times 180 give us 540. So it means total angles in a pentagon is 540 degree. Now we need to find x. So minus all the angles from 540, you will find the x value. So x equal 540 minus 140. There are two 140, so 2 times 140, and we are given 290 degree. So minus 2 times 90. So which is equal 540 minus 2 times 140 minus 2 times 90. 80. So this angle is 80. So x equal 80. So this is 80 degree. Okay, in this question we need to find again x value. We're given 3 numbers, 120, 110 and 90. So total, how many sides? First we just consider how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just proved it. Pentagon sum is 540. The interior angles, the total interior angle, the sum of interior angles in pentagon is 540. You should remember, rather you always find out the formula n minus 2 and for the pentagon. So you should keep in mind, you should remember it, memorize it. Sum of interior angles means the total interior angles. How much total? 540. So it means this is 540. So we just add them a minus from 540. So you find the x value. So 1x equal 2x. 1x equal 2x plus 120 plus 110 plus 90. When we add all, these should be equal 540. So for 1x, this is 2x, add all this one, and because this is all positive, when you transfer here it becomes negative. So it would be 2x equal 540 minus, add all these angles, which is equal 120 minus 110 minus 90. We should add them because after that I put the number here, then we subtract it. So 120 plus 110 plus 90 equal 221. So 221. Sorry, this is 110. 110. 320. This is 320. 320. So 540 minus 320 equal 220. 540 minus 320 equal 220. So 2x equal 220. But we need to find x. Here 2x. So divide both sides by 2. So we have x equal 110. So x equal 100. So it means this angle equal 110 and this angle 110. But doesn't matter. No need to say this one. Just say x equal 110. That's the answer. In this question, we need to find x again. So first of all, we just count the side. If it is pentagon, then it's good for us because we know that the total in the pentagon is 540. So then easily to find out the answer. So just count the sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means this is pentagon again. The total is 540. So minus all these from 540, you can find the x value. So x equal 540 minus 90. So just add all these angles, then minus from here. So 90 plus 130 plus 120 plus 80. So 90, 130, 120 and 80. They are equal 420. So 420. So x equal 540 minus 420. 540 minus 420. It is 120. So this x equal 120. Find the x value again in this question. We are given all the numbers, so we know that total how many sides we should count it, and then after we find the total. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means this is hexagon, so 6-sided figure hexagon. So we know the formula, n minus 2 times 180. So 6 minus, first find the total, then we can go for the solution. 6 minus 2 times 180, which is equal 4 times 180. 4 times 180 give you 720. So it means in hexagon total angles 720. So first find the total, then you should memorize all the numbers, all the interior angles for the number depends on the number of sides. So because hexagon total add up to 360. 720, sorry. So it is 720. Now we go to find the x value. So we know that total all these angles must be 720. So 720 minus all these angles, you can find the x value. So x equal 720 minus all the given angles, which are 90 plus 120 plus 150 plus 145 plus 110. They are 615. So minus 615 from 720, you find the x value, which is equal 720 minus 615, which is equal 105. So 105. So this x equal 105 degree. In the next question, again we need to find the x value, but here we are given two x values here. So 1x equal 2x. When we add all the numbers, it should be equal how much the total? The total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Depends on the number of sides, because the number of sides tells us which diagram is this, which polygon is this, and then after that we need to find the sum of the polygon. But as in the previous question, this is also the 6-sided figure, which gave us the total 720. It means hexagon. So in this question, this polygon is also hexagon. So we need to find it. Now it is, we know that total angle 1x and 1x equal 2x. Either 2x and rest of the angle minus from 720 and then divided by 2, we can find the x angle here. So we know that total angles equal 720. So minus, take away all the angles given here. So it is 160 plus 120 plus 120 plus 150, which give us 550. So it means minus 550. So 2x. So x equal, so minus and then divided by, so it becomes 720 minus 550, which is 170. So 170 divided by 2, so it becomes x equal divided by 2, 85. So x equal 85. It means these two angles 85. So this is 85, this is also 85. But as in the question he said find only the x, so this is your answer. Okay, in the next question also we need to find the x value, but before we find the x, definitely we need to find the total. How much the total of this? How can we find how much the total? We should go for the number of sides, then those sides tell which type of this diagram, and then we can find the total of that diagram. So now number of sides are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So seven-sided figure, if you remember at the beginning in the first video, we had the name here, some polygons here. Three-sided is triangle, four-sided quadrilateral, five-sided pentagon, six-sided hexagon. Now seven-sided heptagon or septagon. So in the question, in this question we are given the diagram which is seven sided. So it means we need to find the total of the seven-sided figure, which is equal, so n minus 2 times 180. So n, which is 7 sides, 7 minus 2 times 180. 7 minus 2 180, 7 minus 2 equal 5. So 5 times 180 equal 900. So it means the total angle in septagon or heptagon equal 900. So we need to find x value. So x equal 900 minus all these given angles. You can find the x value, which is equal 900. First add them. Add all these angles, which is equal 115 plus 130 plus 160 plus 125 plus 95, 65. 165, which is equal 790. So this is 790 minus from 900, 900 minus 790, which give us 110. So 110 is the answer for this polygon. Okay, in the next questions we have here some polygons, which he said find each interior angle. At the beginning we know that interior, some interior equal n minus 2 times 180, and each interior angle equal, if we divide the number of side by the sum, so we can find each interior angle. Okay, so we go for it. We need to find each interior angle, so we use the formula, we divide the number of sides, so then we can find it. So first of all, again we should remember in the first in the beginning of the video we have some name of the polygon. So these names help us how many side of the polygon, because sometimes he not give us how many sides, he just say the name is triangle. We should know the triangle 3 sides, quadrilateral have 4 sides, pentagon have 5 sides, hexagon have 6 sides, septagon and so on have 7 sides, and so on. All the polygons with how many number of sides, if you remember them, then it's good for you to answer. If you remember all the sides, then easy for you to find out the solution. So as in the pentagon, we know the pentagon have 5 sides. So as we are given the pentagon equal 5 sides, so they are given with the 5 side here. So how can we find each interior angle? So let's put this question, 5 sides. So 5 minus 2, find each. So each angle, so this is each angle, 5 minus 2 times 180 divided by how many sides? 5 sides. So it can be, so because we know that the total in a pentagon equal 540, so you can directly divide 540 equal 5 sides, you can find each interior angle. But or if you don't know, so then use the formula for the sum, then divided by number of sides, then you can find easily the answer. Okay, now we know that 5 times 2 equal 3, 3 times 180 equal 540. So 540 divided by 5, it give us 108. It means in pentagon each interior angle, equal 500 108 pentagon. Okay, so if you observe, but it is regular, this is very important. If you remember at the beginning we have the definition about the regular, when all the sides are equilateral, and equiangular. Mean congruent. Sides are congruent and angles are also congruent. So this is the regular polygon. This is called the regular polygon. Now this is all the regular polygons given here. If you observe all the questions, are given the polygon. Now next question is hexagon. Hexagon, we know that total angle in the previous question we had, this is hexagon, and we know that total angles in hexagon is 900. So it's up to you. If you remember all these total angles in hexagon is 900. So 900 divided by number of sides. Number of sides, hexagon, how many sides? The pentagon have 5 sides, hexagon have 6 sides, octagon have 8 sides. Here he wrote already 10-sided polygon, 12-sided polygon, 20-sided polygon. It means the number we are given already their number. So just divide the sum by these sides. You can find each interior angle. So as in the next question we have polygon 9, which is 900 total. So 900 divided by number of how many sides? Hexagon 6 sides. So divided by 6. So you find the answer. So 900 divided by 6, you have the answer 150. So each interior angle in a regular hexagon is 150. Octagon, obviously it has 8-sided. Okay, so in octagon you just divide 10 minus, because we should know first the total. If you know the total, then it's easy for us to divide the number of sides, then we can find each angle. So 10 minus 2, because octagon is 8-sided. So 8 minus 2 times 180 divided by number of sides. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6 times 180. 6 times 180 divided by octagon is divided by 8, which is 135. So it means 135 each angle in a polygon. Now for the 10-sided polygon, if you have 10-sided polygon, it means 10 minus 2 times 180 divided by 10 each angle. So 10 minus 2 equal 10 minus 2 equal 8 times 180 divided by 10, 144. It means 10-sided polygon, each angle equal 144 degree. So on, you can find that this question also, which is 12. 12-sided is mean 12 minus 2 times 180 divided by number of 12. So you can find each angle. So it would be equal here 12, we just 12, then divided by 12-sided, it's 12. So it is equal 150. So 150 each angle in 12-sided is 150. 20-sided, so 20 minus 2 times 180 divided by 20. So you can find 12-sided diagram equal polygon equal how much the each angle. So 20 here divided here 20. So each angle 162 in 20-sided figure. So each angle 162.